Okay, welcome to TechiesReign Skills Academy, and today we're going to be talking about absolute URLs and relative URLs. Okay, so as you know that we have been talking about links in our previous videos, in our recent videos. So in this video, I want to talk about the absolute and the relative URLs, the type of links or URLs that you can use in your codes. Okay, so today we're talking about, or in this video rather, we're talking about the absolute URL. Okay, so there are subsequent video will talk about the relative URL. So let's copy this absolute URL code and let's go to our VS Code to practicalize this. Okay, so let's just quickly go through what we have here. So both examples above or below rather, using the absolute URL, a full web address. Okay, you can see HTTPS www.TechiesReign.com. Okay, it's a full address. Okay, good. So a local link, a link to a page within the same website. So if you look at the absolute URL, you see that most times absolute URLs are linking to external pages or external links. Okay, but relative URLs in most cases are internal, are linking to internal pages. Okay, let's say for example now you're on a page and you want to link from probably the home page to about page or the contact page or the services page. Instead of using the absolute URL, which is the long link, you can decide to use the relative URLs. Okay, just / your page link.html or whatever it is. Okay, good. So let's do absolute URL for today. Then our next video we move to the relative URL. So let's go to our VS Code. Okay, let's be sure that we have copied this. Okay, so let's go to our VS Code and let's paste into our body. Good. So we want to save this. Okay, then come back to our browser and see what we have here. So see that our P tag is opened. Okay, it's our paragraph, and we have our anchor tag, the A, and we have our href. Okay, these are important tags or tags and attributes for linking. Okay, for linking. So then we have our full URL here to TechiesReign's website. Okay, then you have our link text here. Okay, because there will be something for them to click on, take them to where we want them to go to. Right, good. So then we have to close our anchor link, our anchor tag rather, then close our P tag also. So it's the same with what we have down here too. Okay, so let's just come to our browser. If we decide to click on TechiesReign, okay, it takes us to TechiesReign's website. Right, good. So that's our linking is working perfectly. Okay, so if we come back to our VS Code, we'll see that the next one here is Google. Right, so we want to link to Google. By the time we click on the Google here, it's taking us to Google website or Google page rather. So this is absolute URL because our URLs are written in full. Okay, our URLs are written in full. So we can decide to open our URL in a different tab. Okay, so we just use our target blank. Our target blank. We have spoken about this in one of our recent videos. So use your target blank, then you save it. By the time you click on the link, okay, it opens in a new tab. Okay, good. So this helps your user. You probably they want to do something on this main page while they actually check something on that other page that you have directed them to. They are able to do that. Okay, and sometimes when they go to another page on the same tab, the tendency of having them come back to that page is low. Okay, so it's always good that you use your target blank so that you don't let your users forget or abandon your page in the bid to trying to view other pages that you have directed them to. Okay, so in our next video we'll talk about relative URL. So before then, do well to practice, like, comment, follow, and share. I'll see you in the next video.